Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have boAt Airdopes FUEL Bluetooth wireless earbuds and you need to do a hard reset on them to factory default settings. Now you might want to do this for two different reasons. One, it might be troubleshooting if they will not connect to Bluetooth, or if they keep disconnecting, or if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or out of the right ear. A hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Also, if you just want to clear out the pairing history so that you can re-pair it anew with a new device, doing a hard reset can be a good step in that process. And it's quite easy to do. The first thing to do is to go to whatever devices you've previously had these paired to and go ahead and have them forget the device. Once you've done that, you can take the earbuds out of their case and you'll just long press the back button on each earbud separately, not simultaneous, but separately. So 5 seconds long press here, and then 5 seconds long press here. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and put them back in the case and close the case and wait a few seconds, and then you will see the LED indicator light on the case flash 5 times, indicating that the reset has complete. You can take the earbuds out and re-pair them with a new device.